Hi, this is RN with Cancer, my YouTube channel. I'm just today talking about non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Um, that is the type of cancer I have. It's follicular. Non-Hodgkin's lymphoma is a cancer that originates in your lymphatic system. The disease-fighting network spread throughout your body. In non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, tumors developed from lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell. Non-Hodgkin's lymphoma is more common than the other general type of lymphoma, Hodgkin's lymphoma. Going down here a little bit, just brought something up. The Mayo Clinic, which they have really good information, but it shows the lymphatic system and then the lymph node clusters all over your body, which is interesting to note. Causes. In most cases, the doctors really don't know what causes non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Turns out I have it's stage 4 non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, which means that it was if you take your body and divide it into quadrants, it was in all 4 quadrants of my body, including in my head and on my liver. So in the beginning, I also had a huge tumor in my mouth, which was quite bad. That's what originally got me to the doctor. So that's really it on the beginnings of the story of my cancer journey. I'm going to do the best I can to inform and try to connect with other people online who are going through the same disease process. I also, in the same under my diagnosis, I also have something called CVID, which ruins your immune system in and of itself. So I'll also bring up some information about that.